Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into TATA Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser if it's choice. After that, in the top there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type TATA Finance login and press enter in the keyboard, and the search results will be shown to you. And the first search result is customer login. You just have to click on the first search result, and the interface will be shown right in front of you. And in the right hand side there is an sign in box where you can enter your user ID. After that you can use your password and you can just log in. And there is another way you can log in as well, that is by using mobile number, and that button is right on the next side of customer ID. You can just click on the mobile number, and here you need to enter your registered mobile number and click on the get OTP button, and they will send you an OTP in your mobile number SMS. And after that, when you enter your OTP or verification code, then you will be able to log in. And in the customer ID, if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on the forgot password, and Tata will help you to retrieve and change the password. After that, you just need to enter your new password and just click on the login button, and you will be able to log in successfully into Tata Finance account. So this is how you can easily log in into Tata Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.